It's a new week and another episode of Rhapsody Clicks. I want to thank you all so very much for always coming here and enjoying our content. Rhapsody Realities today talks about maintaining our focus on the spiritual. And this is important. It's like a carry on of what we learned yesterday from the Rhapsody Realities article. And it's so pertinent that in today's world, that we remain focused and always maintain a spiritual standpoint in the observations that we make, in the news that we make. When information comes to you, do you reason, where is this coming from? Study today's Rhapsody Realities. And if you're not a partner, click on the link and become a partner today. Sponsor Rhapsody today. Have a great day. God bless you. Love you.